In a world where dreams hold the key to adventure, a young girl discovers that even the deepest grief can lead to the brightest magic. This is the story of Slumberland. Nemo, a little girl, lives a quiet life with her loving father, Peter, in a lighthouse by the sea. Her days are filled with stories of magical lands and grand adventures, told by her father's gentle voice. But tragedy strikes when Peter is lost at sea, leaving Nemo's world shattered. She is sent to live with her uncle, Philip, a man who knows nothing about children, laughter, or imagination. Lonely and heartbroken, Nemo soon discovers a secret. When she sleeps, she can enter Slumberland, a dazzling dream world where anything is possible. There, she meets Flip, a mischievous outlaw with horns and wild hair who claims to have once been her father's friend in dreams. Flip is brash, funny, and chaotic, but together, he and Nemo form an unlikely partnership. Their mission? To find a map of Slumberland and reach the Sea of Nightmares, where Nemo hopes to reunite with her father. Along the way, Nemo and Flip journey through breathtaking dreamscapes, cities made of glass, rooms full of butterflies, forests that shift and change with every step. Each dream is more fantastic than the last, but dangers lurk at every corner. The Sea of Nightmares is not just a place of magic, but of fear. A shadowy force that feeds on grief and sorrow. As Nemo faces her deepest pain, she learns that Slumberland is not about escaping reality, but about finding courage within it. In the end, Nemo realizes that her father's spirit lives on in her heart and in the dreams they once shared. By embracing both joy and sorrow, she brings color back into her waking life and even softens her Uncle Philip's heart, teaching him to dream again. Slumberland is more than just a fantasy tale. It's a journey through loss, love, and the healing power of imagination. A reminder that even in our darkest nights, dreams can light the way.